morning, you guys. This is... Today, we will be debunking the topic of layers of rocks, or better known as stratified rocks, and how they are formed. So, without further ado, let us begin. Going to you, Cleo.
Thank you, Christine. And as we mentioned, we are going to talk about how stratified rocks, a fancy work of layers of rocks, are formed. Come on, let's jump right into the discussion. First off with Jay.
Thank you, Cleo. Let's now discuss stratified rocks. We can see layer of rocks anywhere in the environment. The horizontal layer present in most sediment rocks are called strata. And the process of creating layers of rocks is called stratification. Oh, hold on. It seems like we have a caller. Let's have Ricky answer this call.
Hi there, ABM11. I'm Star, and I just wanted to ask, how exactly does the process of stratification work?
Hi there, Star! Alright, now that you know what is strata, and that stratified rocks are arranged naturally in the environment, as mentioned by JM, let us now head to stratification, the process where layered rocks are formed. Aside from sedimentary rocks, this process can also happen with igneous rocks. Rocks that harden over time create layers that make it a stratified rocks. Also remember that sedimentary rocks can also be called stratified rocks if the rocks are layered. There are 4 steps on how stratified rocks are formed: weathering, erosion, deposition, and compaction. These 4 steps are going to be discussed by our next reporter.
Hi there, I'm Cassie, and let's begin with the first step in the formation of stratified rocks: weathering. Weathering occurs when large pieces of sedimentary rocks break down into smaller pieces, and these pieces of rock combine with other materials to form sediments. The next step is erosion, which is the process of transporting rock particles and other materials from one place to another. This can be caused by water, wind, and natural agents. Since sediments are lightweight, they are transported over time. Let's have Kirk explain the last few steps.
Now, after erosion, we have deposition, which is the process by which sediment settles in a certain place after being eroded. In most cases, this happens in bodies of water, like ocean, where sediments are deposited undisturbed at the bottom due to gravity. And lastly, we have compaction, where sediment will begin to stick to one another, cemented together with clay, other minerals, and fossils. Then it's compacted, creating a layer of sediment rocks. Over time, another layer of sediments composed of other kinds of material will pile up on top of the first layer, forming as stratified sedimentary rocks.
Thank you so much, ABM11. But I'm curious to know, how long does it take for stratified rocks to form?
Ooh, great question, Star. This stratification process actually takes hundreds of years or even millions. One great example would be the Biri Island rock formations. Here in the Philippines, they're composed of 6 distinct rock islands: Magasang, Masapad, Makadlaw, Puhunan, Bilat, and Karanay rock formations. These islands were formed around 20 million years ago due to the movement of tectonic plates.
Wow, that's amazing. And for my last question, I'd like to know who discovered how stratified rocks are made.
That's a good one. Let's have JM answer your final question.
Again, great question. So, Danish scientist Nicholas Steno proposed the law of original horizontality, which states that sediments are deposited horizontally, creating horizontal strata of layers. Strata's thickness may vary from millimeters to several meters. The strata reveal rock composition in range that can be used to know events and objects in Earth history.
Thank you so much, ABM11. I will be able to use this knowledge about stratified rocks in my exams.
No problem, Star. Here in ABM 11, we are always happy to help. Take it away, Christine.
With an amazing topic. Thank you, ABM 11, for feeding us more and more knowledge about our Earth. And to the audience, thank you so much for lending us your ears. I hope that everybody has learned a thing or two from Science with ABM 11. Again, I am Christine Shalamaya Arhokson. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, y'all.